Shannon with Home Alchemy Living, and today I wanted to talk about something that is near and dear to my heart, as it is for many of you probably watching this. You're watching it for a reason. It's my mudroom, aka launch and drop zone. Home is really where our story begins, and we really need our homes to support us in our everyday life. And a lot of times, when you start your day, if you don't have a good organized area to launch from each day, you can kind of run around looking for your keys, your shoes, coats, wellies, whatever it is that you need to start your day in whatever season it is that you're living in. It's really important to just kind of have that organized space that supports you in your day-to-day life. And for me, the makeover magic that is happening is a narrow, kind of broken down hallway. I have a fixer-upper, and it is probably my most challenging fixer-upper ever. However, I digress. It's a narrow room. Some of the plasterboard was broken. The walls were a mess. It's a little space in between my garage and my family room. But I figured I could make something happen with that, and so the next few clips will kind of show you some of the tools that I use, some of the before pictures, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, so that was just a few clips showing the beginning stages of the mudroom, and next week I'm going to show you the completed vision of what it has become, and it has been quite a transformation. Once again, it's just a narrow space, and in next week's video I'm going to also attach some clips or a little slideshow of I'm going to give you my top 5 favorite mudrooms that I love, no matter how big or how small the space is that you're living in. I just wanted to show you, yes, it can be done. Does not matter the size of your home. We can all have that kind of sacred space to launch from each day. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with you next week. Take care.